Right, ladies, don't laugh because I've got something to show you. I've been working really busy. Look, you're not going to believe what I've made. And it's only in the design mode, so don't take any notice of it. But if I show you like that, can you, I don't know if you can see it. It's a bird cage. Look, a 3D hanging bird cage. And I'm not sure if you can see my little birdie inside. Isn't it cute? And I've used, I mean, I'm only designing it at the moment, so when I perfect it, I'll then make one properly. I've used one of those big curtain rings, and I've cut strips of card, see, like this, and I've stuck them to the inside. If you have a look, stuck them to the inside of the ring. I mean, all these will need trimming. This is just a design mode, right? So don't think this is going to be the finished product, because it's not. I'm just designing it, and then when I've done it, then I'll make another one. But this is the design I've come up with, right? So make it like a balloon. Looks like a light bulb. Look, it's actually got a Tim Holtz clasp on it at the moment, just to see if it hangs. Because I've used, see the little pin in the top. Well, that was what was in here, in the ring. See there. And I thought, well, it'll need to hang from something. So my husband's going to get me a little block of wood that will sit in there, and I've just put a bit of the cutout wood at the moment from Jennings644. You know, the little sticky pad wood. So I've screwed in through the two cutout flowers, in through to that. Just for now, because I need to make sure it works, and if it works, then I can make another one. But I've made it out of quite thick card. And I'd actually watched somebody's video this morning before I went to work, and she happened to try and make one of the well, she made one of the bird cages out of paper, and I thought that would be absolutely gorgeous if it was done out of card. I mean, she said paper she'd made hers from, but it could have been card. And I like the idea of the 3D bird cage, so that's what I've come up with. So you can see that. So as I've attached them to the ring at the bottom, and then brought them up to the top, and then what I did is I marked out an inch from the end of each one, and then put a hole directly in the middle of that inch, and then I've attached them all through this, screwing this through it, and then putting a little flower plate on the top and one on the bottom just to hold it, and the Tim Holtz clasp there. And I've used a little bit of wood. I first did this one with chains, and it didn't look right. I couldn't get the bird to sit properly, but I'll work that out because I want mine to swing in the cage. That's how I want mine, so I'm going to work that out. But for now, my little birdie, I mean, it's not even if you know what I mean. I need to work out and mark each strip where I'm going to stick this, and I might not even use card for that, because you could actually use ribbon, which I think will be nice. Put ribbon on it, and just put or ribbon over a card for the stiffness. I mean, I want to decorate it, and what I want to do, so if anybody wants to attempt it as well, an idea that I've got is to intertwine, if I can get a hold of, you know, some of you have bought the leaves on a wire. I don't know where you've got them from, I can't find them. But if you can get hold of that and then intertwine it, you know, intertwine it in amongst the cage, and then I can put little rosebuds, which I've got, and decorate it with little rosebuds. So I am going to do it because I do like the idea, and then what I'll do, I'll use a different coloured card for this instead of the white. But like I say, this is just a tester, and that's what I do. I test things, and then if they work, I'll make them up. And as you can see, I've just pinned them all together like that. But it does stand up in there, and it does actually work, and I'm quite proud of that. I'm quite chuffed, actually. My little 3D bird cage. and then I'll be able to hang that somewhere, won't I? Look, if I hang it, then he can swim. But like I say, I want mine on a chain. So, and I want it completely covered in roses and flowers. So I'm going to go and have a look at the weekend and find some small flowers. I've got some, but I want different ones. And I'm going to find some twine, or with a leaf. If you can tell me where you get the leaf stuff from, oh great, because I'll buy some, and when I do the original, the next one, I mean, this is just a mock-up basically. But what do you think? My little birdie in the cage. He's cute, isn't he? So I absolutely love that cage. Great. And you know what? Now I'm not going to tell you, so I've got an idea for it. I'm not going to tell you, I'll show you. But that's what I've done anyway, ladies. So just to give you an idea, little bird in a cage, and I hope you like it. Thanks very much. I will be back when I do the proper one. Bye.